Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm walking you through how to use Confluence Cloud in Microsoft Teams using the Easy 2026 method. From your Confluence workspace, click Explore Apps in the left sidebar to open the Atlassian Marketplace. The Marketplace loads in the main view, showing featured apps and categories for extending Confluence. Click the search box at the top and type Microsoft Teams. Then select the Microsoft Teams integration suggestion that appears below. This filters the results to apps that connect Confluence Cloud Microsoft Teams. The search results load. Click the Advanced Microsoft Teams connector for Confluence Cloud to open its details page. You'll see the app's rating, description, and installation options. On the app details page, click the blue Try It Free button in the top right corner. This begins the installation flow for your workspace. A Select a Site window appears showing your available Confluence Cloud. For this example, I'm selecting the first site in the list, then clicking Try It Free again. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you're choosing the workspace where you want the integration active. Click the Review button at the bottom right to proceed to the Review and Install screen where you can confirm the installation. This final step shows you the permissions the app will request and lets you complete the setup. Once installed, you'll need to configure the connector from within Microsoft Teams by adding a new tab to a channel and selecting Confluence Cloud from the app list. If your Confluence pages don't appear immediately, check that you responded to the permissions prompt during setup. You can manage or remove the connector later by going back to Manage Apps in your Confluence settings and finding it in your installed apps list. Adjusting notification preferences in the connector settings can help keep your Teams feed focused. And that's how to get Confluence Cloud working in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.